Click on the lesson area. Press Ctrl Enter. You will start the screen reader and keyboard navigation.
Keyboard navigation is on.
Tab will take you to the next item on the page.
Navigation bar. Table of contents. Heading.
To activate a selected module, press Enter.
What do muscles look like under a microscope? Text instruction. Button. Opens extended instruction pop-up. Button. Switch on microscope.
Press Enter to confirm the selected item and spacebar to activate the item.
Selected. Light is on.
Well done! Now you are ready to explore fully accessible digital lesson samples.